वीडियो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं है एक मिंत्रा हॉल। Oh my god, I can't reach. Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Tanisha. I hope you guys are doing really well. For more fun, self-care and styling videos, just subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Myntra se I do not shop like clothing items, but I saw a few YouTubers making Myntra hauls and they were actually pretty good. Like, I don't shop the western pieces from there, so I thought let's like just see if we find something. And actually the tops were pretty nice. The bottoms were not very fancy या फिर ऐसे trendy नहीं थे. But you can get the basics there definitely. Also, you have the H&M section, which is also really nice. Apart from that, I got a lot of tops. So this haul is going to include all the tops. First piece that we have here. First, I'm going to show you the picture that was posted on the Myntra section, and now I'm going to show you the result of it. So this is the top. I know it's pretty good, like it's very pretty, but ऐसे लग नहीं रहा है कि थोड़ा बड़ा है मेरे लिए. एक बार देखो, ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि ये बड़ा. Like, still I'm wearing this top is like shoulder padded top, so still my shoulders are looking very broad, but still it's like crossing over, and you can see this is the case. And when I purchased this top and I received it, and then I checked Myntra, तब I found कि reviews में a lot of people have written that the size issue is there. The pattern is so much on trend right now, and I saw this top and I just wanted it. It also comes in a different shade. Like, I think so we have white color for this as well. So the top is really good, and I ordered a small size, but still it would fit like a large size. Everything is good about the top. The material, the feel, the pattern, the trend, everything is very nice. But the people who are like small or medium or large cannot use this top. Only if you are an XL and you buy the small size, then it will fit you properly. Otherwise, it's not gonna fit. Next up, we have this really pretty, summery kind of alternate, sorry, kind of a top. I ordered this in black color and they sent me in a pink color. The material is very nice, very stretchy, thick material. Yeah, matlab I was shopping for summers. I was like, summer is here and we have to shop some summery tops and dresses. So उस हिसाब से मैंने मंगवाया था, but it's fine. Like, pink is also not a very bad color, so it's basically like a bikini. But I don't know, what did I see in the photo? Like, when the model was wearing it, it wasn't looking like that. It was like kind of a halter top. The neck was a lot deeper than you can think. So actually, I'm going to show you it wearing above a top. The nicest piece that we have in the haul right now. It's just so cute, and this whole drawstring effect going on, and the print, the dyed print, I know the tie and dye is so on trend right now, and that is why I bought it. The print is very nice, the color is very nice. I'm definitely gonna keep it and wear it a lot of times. The thing is that the material is not very thick, but it's fine according to the price that it is coming for. So it's kind of very stretchy material. It's not seeing through, but it's very thin, so it's gonna stick to your body, but it actually gives a really nice bodycon look. So I love it for that. Like, I would rate this a 4.5 out of 5 because it's very nice, very trendy. The color, the print and everything is very good. Just it's like very thin and it's not what I expected. One is actually a tee. This is just such a nice print. There's actually this sun print. I was kind of looking for this sun print from a very long time. I was searching for it on Urbanic. I kind of got, but I actually wanted it in a tee. It's very, very comfortable. The material is really thick. But when I saw this on the model, it was looking kind of like a very oversized tee. But when I wore it, it's like a normal fit, not an oversized effect. So it's not looking bad. Definitely I'm going to use it a lot for my casuals, to meet up friends, to go for parties and lunches and all of that. So it's going to be a lot of fun wearing this for sure, and absolutely I love the print and the feel of it. And I actually got it in a size large so that it actually looks a lot more oversized on me. Now coming down to the last top, I had a lot of expectation from this top. This is a very basic top. So this is what it looks like in the picture. Usually when you buy white clothes, you have to be very sure about it being thick enough so that it's not very see-through. This is how the top looks. This is a turtleneck on the top, and then this is the it's sleeveless, and then there's this whole kind of a thing that is created over here. It looks very nice when it sits on your body. Like I've tried it and it looks like very, very nice. And also the best feature about this top that I found out was this back, which comes along with the chain. So usually when you have these turtlenecks, they're like kind of a pullover, so you just need to pull them over and it just messes up with your whole hair and your face and everything. But this one is just so comfortable to wear. You can just unzip it and then wear it and then zip up. Also, I think so I would have sized up a little bit in this, then it would like fit me a lot better. All in all, my experience has been really nice, but obviously there has been a few color difference and material and all that I was a little bit disappointed about. So I hope you guys found it helpful, and all the links to these tops are given down below in the description box. And until next time, see you, tata, bye bye. Like, share and subscribe, and also let me know down in the comment section below the other hauls that you want me to try, the other brands or apps you would want me to try and make a video for you guys. Also guys, do not forget to check out my Nykaa haul. I'm also running a giveaway on that Nykaa haul, so you can go and participate in the Nykaa haul for exciting prizes.